Hootsuite Inbox is a tool that brings social conversations together in one place. It allows users to monitor private and public messages received across many social networks. Inbox has three main areas: list of conversations, conversation details, and message folders. Let's take a look at your conversation list. Here, you can view both public or private messages from your connected social networks. For example, using the filtering feature, you could view LinkedIn public messages, comments and replies to your Facebook posts, visitor posts to your Facebook page, and Twitter direct messages. You can also sort conversations from most recent to the oldest. Every person who engages with your brand's public content will have their own item in Inbox, so you can be confident no activity was missed. Within the detail view, you can see all the back and forth between a person and a brand, so you can see the full context of a conversation. Let's drill down on this Facebook public message. You can reply to any comments in the thread, tag users with an @mention, and respond to a user directly with a private message. Depending on your plan type, you can also use tags to categorize comments and replies. For example, noting that a certain comment contains important product feedback. For a Twitter direct message, you could respond directly, or assign the message to another team member who's in a better position to address it. Certain Hootsuite plans allow users to assign messages to their team members, or even to themselves. This way, individual users are notified when a message needs their attention. In Inbox, users can click between folders to view relevant conversations. If a message does not require any action, simply dismiss it. When a team member assigns a conversation to you for action, you'll receive an email notification. This notification system helps ensure that important messages aren't missed.